Welcome back to Garrison's Garage. Got a new project I'm working on. It's a little less ambitious than a giant custom desk, but it's cool nonetheless. So here's what I'm working on. 57-inch tall, 12 inches sticking out, or 13.5 inches sticking out keypad holder. The conduit's coming up from the bottom, going inside over, and there's a keypad on the end of it. It's gonna be 8x8 plate with this bad bear, 3/8 thick, a little thick, but it's what they had. Steel being what it is right now because of the unspecified virus of unknown origin. Anyway, 3-inch square tube right here. That bad bear right there. We're gonna cut it at 45, weld it all up, give it to my boy. He's gonna install it, helping him out. So, let's get started. Okay. All the boring stuff's done. I cut it all and I grinded it all off and I cleaned them all up. So, this is what we have. There you go. 57.25 by 12, or 13.5. Bam. So we're gonna do this, then we'll do the plates. Here we go. Ugh. Heavy. So I have very specific tolerances I have to work within. So, naturally, we gotta measure everything. Last one, and weld it, dude. Titties. Absolutely titties. Square, perfectly lined. Let's do this. Cover. 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 And you guys can't see this one, but cover. It's a fat guy. Man, it's almost like I do this for a living or something. You know what I mean? Now it's uneven now because it's got that bottom bead, so it's not really important. But since it's so tightly woven now, so tightly done because of the tacks and all the clamps and stuff, I think we're good to go. I will tell you this, I hope that this turns out really good because steel is not cheap. That's a fact, Jack. Here we go. Nice. Very good. So the reason I did the one side then flipped it and did the other side is so that the warping is counteracted. So now that the left and right movement is pretty much counted for, we'll do the inside and then lastly the outside. Oh, dude, check that out. It's bitchin'. So sick. Sick as hell. Sorry. I don't know why I did that. That was dumb. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking too, if I kind of lifted it up a little bit like I'm doing right now, it lets me get right in that groove, nice and easy. So that's where I'm at with that. Okay, guys? And I'll even do a little clamp here. to kind of hold it in place. What do you think of that, dude?
Going in, hot, hot, hot.
Just like to apologize for those of you who couldn't see that. That was beautiful. Except for the beginning. The beginning was garbage.
Last one, bro. Coming at you hot.
Beautiful. Some of my finer work. I'm pretty proud of my abilities. Gotta say, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but pretty fucking good at this. Bam, dude. Kablam. Now I'll grind it off and make it all pretty for the guy, because apparently it needs to be all. I mean, dude, do you even want me to grind that? It's fucking gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. The beginning sucks it. Other than that. All right, I'm gonna clean this bad boy up. It's an 8x8 plate of steel, 3/8. Clean it up, okay? Final product. Beautiful. So now I gotta get the center. There'll go big old hole there. 4 holes, 3/8 on the corners. And that's our base plate. I pre-drilled this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I'm using the 3/8 just to kind of start us, but here we go. Bam. Oh, that's too long. Sick. All right, there's those. All right, so I cut out the little thing on the ground, on the bottom, the base plate, and I lined it all up straight. It's exactly the height it needs to be. I tacked the corner so that if it falls, I'm not hating everybody in my life as well and wanting to end it all. Okay, so here we go. Grind mode, ouch. Three, last one here.
This time I know it's not in grind mode, guys.
Cool. We're tacked in. Let it sit for a minute, cool down, double check all the measurements. Go from there. So these clamps, you clamp them down nice and tight so the warping doesn't pull up the edges and screw up the whole levelness of it. I double checked everything. Dude, it is dead nuts. One little thing, 1/16 of an inch too high on this side. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. Maybe it was a warping. I don't know. But other than that, it's straight. It's the perfect length, perfect height. It's beautiful. So here we go. Gorgeous! We'll do the backside, counteract the warping from the heat input. Cool? Cool. That's not English.
Here we go.
Gorgeous! Ladies and gentlemen, we are pretty much reaching the home stretch here. I lined this all up. Perfectly even top and bottom, side to side. and align perfectly. Weld a couple tacks, and then we'll do the final beads. Clean it, paint it. Done. Here we go. We'll do the top and the bottom. Then we'll do the sides. And then we'll clean it up and we're painting it.
Always want to make sure you spend a little more time on the top because it has a tendency to droop down.
All right, the welding's pretty much done. Now I just have to clean it up, get it ready to paint.
If you guys like what you see, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos by me, hit the subscribe button.
Thanks for watching, everyone.